And whether any time in life you have a problem, any time, either you accept it or either you change it. You have a Jupiter in the Virgo Navansh, you have a problem of obesity. Very simple. Jupiter in Virgo Navansh will give you obesity issues. Now, when you have obesity issues, liver issues, either you accept it that you're a fat person, or either what you do, you go out, you maintain your food habits, you go to gym, you go walk every day, and you maintain your metabolism. Because Mercury is metabolism, sign of Virgo. If you have a good metabolism, at the age of 30, you will look like 22. Lagan Lord in the Mercury Navansh, Atmakarka Navansh. That's why most of the people look young here in the Virgo Navansh. They have a good metabolism. If you have a bad metabolism, you will at the age of 32, you will look at 42. That's a bad metabolism. So what you can do about it? You can change your food habits. Corrections. You cannot complain at any point of your life that you do not get enough chances. You cannot say, I should have been promoted, but this has happened. I should have been this has happened. No, this is the way it is. You have not worked hard in your life, you have not controlled your food habits, that's why you're fat. There's no other reason. You cannot say, due to my neighbor, I became fat. It's due to you and your food habits, you became fat. Okay. One of the very prominent features of the Virgo is it gives early results. So whichever planet goes in Virgo, that will give you early results in life. That is why Venus in Virgo, not welcome. Why it will not welcome? Because you will get into the moment you were supposed to behave as a child, you will start behaving as an adult. Early relationships you will get into. And these relationships will teach you or scar you throughout your life. Even the 7th Lord in the Virgo Navansh will do the same results. One of the significations of the Virgo Navansh is limitations. That it will limit what you can do in life. It is a separative house, separative Navansh. So whenever you will find any planet going in the Virgo Navansh, there are chances that the signification of that planet is restricted. Like one of the shlokas of the classical textures, when the 4th Lord along with 9th Lord goes in the Virgo Navansh, there is a doubt about the father and mother. Means the breed is not pure. Because 4th is mother, 9th is father. Sign of Virgo is a foreign element. There must be something very dicey about the birth. Even the sun and moon, both, because they are significators on 4th and 9th. Whenever they are in the Virgo Navansh, the birth is doubtful. When 3rd Lord goes in Virgo Navansh, the person is devoid of valor. Means he does not have courage. Why? Because there is a restriction whether he can take initial steps. 3rd house is initial steps. That's why any planet in the 3rd house will start something new. The condition is that the dignity of that planet should not be affected. Like it should not be a debilitated planet afflicted by Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. That is why Saturn in 3rd house, I say it's not a good position. When you have to get a new job, a lot of people are losing jobs nowadays. In detail, look at the planet sitting in the 3rd house. The person gets a new job. And that will be Dasha. That will be Antardasha. Very simple rule. So Virgo Navansh, whichever Lord goes in, the person is devoid of that particular thing. He's restricted. The term is restricted. He's not able to think beyond the boundaries because Virgo has a boundary. You have to choose something or leave something. A point comes in. Let's suppose you have a Venus in Virgo, which is most troublesome. Sun in Virgo, Mars in Virgo, whichever planet it goes in. And as an Atma Karka you have, it means a very heavy karma is at one point of your life you will think whether I should live with this person or should leave him. Like there's a Venus with Virgo na, can't live with him, can't live without him. There's a problem because you have to make a choice. And that only person is creating restrictions for you. Who has a Venus in Virgo? Sun in Virgo, a desire to learn divine science. Who is it? Anyone who has Venus in Virgo?
I have Venus in the Rasi chart. Venus in Virgo.
No, Navansh.
Navansh, okay.
Akansha, what's the story with the relationships? If you want to share. Divorce proceedings going on. Was it very hard for you to decide this? That whether you should live with him, and it took you a long amount of time to come out of it. Okay, I can understand. Because see, to make a decision in Virgo, it was always, Akansha, it will be always on and off. That's what the problem with the Virgo is. On and off. Want to live with him, cannot live with him. There was a Hindi song about it, right? Raha bhi na jaye, saha bhi na jaye, kaha bhi na jaye. Huh? That's what the Virgo is. When the moon is in it, so the people will, I have to eat healthy, I do not want to eat healthy. Non-cheeseburger with Diet Coke. That's what the food choices are. Same with the mother. Moon is the fourth lord. I have to leave the house. I don't want to leave the house. You have to make a decision. But the problem is, see, the most dangerous person in the life you will meet is the person who do not make decisions, who does not move on. Because due to that person, you will see the most of the accidents will happen anywhere in the life. The person who can make decisions and say, okay, let's done. We're not going to look at it. Let's go. Is very happy because he has made his mind. Is very happy. The person who they cannot make decisions even while driving. Third lord in Virgo cannot make decisions in driving. Anyone who has Mercury in Virgo in Mercury in Virgo Navansh or third lord in the Virgo Navansh, look at him. While driving, I want to take left turn, I do not want to take the left turn. Undecisive. It's too late before he makes a decision. Sun in Navansh always confused. Sun is also a father with dignity or chair. Want to become the boss? I do not want to become the boss. Deal with the government, do not deal with the government. It's always two ways. That's what the Virgo does. But that's what the stomach will do. See, third and sixth has a very good connection. Third is the throats. Subconscious brain. Sixth house is the lower abdomen, stomach. When you have a bad subconscious brain, you will not get proper digestion process. Like it happens, right? Whenever we have very tense anxiety issues, your stomach does not get cleaned properly. Because your subconscious brain is getting stuck up. Subconscious brain has a problem with the sixth house, you cannot perform in bed. Subconscious, Venus in Virgo. So to make your subconscious, that's why I say you start from third house. You have to start the remedy of sixth house, start from the third house, start from the subconscious level. What happens when you listen to the music? Your subconscious gets aligned. This is what now the research is showing. When you listen to rag, your thought process gets aligned. Because your music, what it does, it aligns your brain, it aligns your thought processes. That is why you get the good digestion later on. That's what the Virgo Navansh does. See, one of the when Saturn goes in Virgo Navansh, they or when this little Navansh is in Kendra of the D9 chart, the person has chances to go to jail because Saturn is already a restriction, and in the Virgo Navansh, it's a double effect. So whenever this dasha will run, there are chances a person might go to jail. Whenever on whichever body part, let's suppose you have a Mars rising, no, Aries rising, and in the Virgo Navansh, there will be problem related to head, personality, problem of autism. When it's a 5-6, the problem with problem with kids, problem with education, restriction with education. 9-6, I know Arunji about your case. I know you were one of my clients. 9-6, problem with the boss. It means Sagittarius Rashi, Virgo Navansh, the person will have problems related to boss, fights with father, and restrictions due to father. Because all this Virgo Navansh is doing is creating boundaries for you. Why? Because they want to overcome it. You should learn about this particular thing and move on. Like Arun Nair, he had a case where he was falsely blamed about something. When he came to me, I think it was 2 years back, and I said, on this particular date, the case will be dropped. Do not worry, there is no remedy required in your case. What happened on that date? The police dropped the case in Singapore. He also has a Saturn in the Virgo Navansh. Classical books also says Saturn in Virgo Navansh, the person might have tendency to go to jail. He was falsely blamed for something.
And let me say one line, sir. And after that, I stopped going to any other astrologer in my life.
So that particular one line, that you do not need to do the remedy, because sometimes there is no remedy. All you have to do is wait for that particular time period and see that he will not go to jail. You do not need to throw anything in water. Sometimes it is required in some cases. I do recommend few of the remedies sometimes. But in some charts, when you see it's only the matter of timing, in 5 days it will happen, in 6 days it will happen. There is no point telling him the remedy. But that's what the combination of the Virgo Navansh is. Okay, one of the stroke which I really like about the Virgo guys is when the 10th Lord goes in Virgo Navansh, also the Saturn goes in Virgo Navansh, the person does a yajna, means he will do a lot of sacrifices, but for other people. Now, when Maharshi Gemini must have wrote it, he must have wrote it from his point of view, yajna point of view. And that particular time period, the person would have been doing the yajna sitting in the jungle. And nowadays, if you see, when the Saturn goes in Virgo Navansh or the 10th Lord goes in Virgo Navansh, it means the person, whatever karma he is doing, a lot of selfless acts are involved in it. He tries to do and help other people out. And if it does not do that, if it does not help out people, what will happen? We'll start getting bad effects of the Virgo. So wherever the Virgo Navansh, this is the biggest clue about the Virgo, that wherever the Virgo Navansh, whichever planet goes in Virgo Navansh, whichever house goes in Virgo Navansh, if you are facing a very bad effect regarding it, you have to start doing some selfless act related to that planet. If you have a bad married life due to Venus in the Virgo Navansh, please start helping other people in their marriage life. Why you have got the Venus in the Virgo Navansh? Because in past life you have not corrected that. Due to you, someone might have lost their relationship. Because this is also the sign of disputes when you put the seeds of dispute in some other's head. Like if I call Deepak and tell, okay, your wife or your spouse, your girlfriend, as this, she is posting this. If I put some seed in his head, seeds, that's Virgo. That's why one of the classical remedies is to feed seeds to the birds. Birds are Mercury, and you feed seeds to them. That's what the remedy is. But in real terms, what does remedy means is that whatever you are seeping in, whatever you're sowing into the ground, that fruit of it will come to you only. It will not go to anyone else. So be careful what you post about someone else. When you talk to someone, that you go to your boss rooms sorry, and tell something bad about your co-worker, you'll start getting problems in your jobs.
Just one last question.
Yeah.
I know a person, I just saw the chart that the person had Virgo in the Lagna, Rashi chart,
Okay.
and it went to Aquarius Navansh, and so his Saturn was Virgotam in Virgo itself.
Okay.
So what could we
I
say?
mean, but it's a Virgo. It's not even the Virgo Navanch, right?
No. It's the Virgo Lagna
Virgo Lagna.
in Rashi, and then it goes to Capricorn Lagna
Mhm.
in Navansh,
Mhm.
and Saturn is Virgotam in Virgo, in the sign of Virgo.
Okay. Saturn is Virgo to Virgo, but from where the Saturn is coming?
From where Saturn is
Oh,
coming.
okay. The person will have a tendency to work for others and will have troubles related to animals. What is the story regarding with him with the animals?
Okay, sir. I can confirm you that one, that he had like a dog, which he always says he accidentally killed.
Now you understand why.
Yeah. So
Shantanu,
what
in
should
one of the lectures, told everyone, read Sarvat Chintamani. That's my favorite book. I know that book inside out. I've read it several times. Only one book, one classical I've completed till now several times. That's Sarvat Chintamani. You can use anyone. You can use BPHS by NN Rao. Use NN Rao version. I just found out the NN Rao version. That's a much better one I like from the as compared to Ashanta Rao. In that one of the shlokas it says Saturn in Virgo will make animals and will be troubled by animals. So when you say Saturn is Virgottam, one of the major karma of his life will come through the animals.
So then in this case, sir, what should I tell him to do?
What should you tell him? Help out a lot of animals. See,
Okay, I just always
when you have a Saturn in sixth in Virgo Navanjana, help out animals. Because that's what you should. That's why you got. See, nature wants you to correct those karma. That's why you got these combinations, right? You have an option to correct it.
Yeah.
So what? How you can correct it? By helping out the other animals. Or eighth lord in the fifth house or in the ninth house gets only 1/3 of the strength. So when the Lagan lord and the eighth lord are the same, which is Mars, when it's placed in the fifth or ninth house, the person longevity is reduced to 1/3. Now, this is a rule written in the Bhavad Ratnakar in the coded format. Have you ever seen the Lagan lord in fifth house? The longevity is reduced. In the ninth house, it is reduced. It's only applicable for the Mars.
Okay.
Jupiter exalted. Let me teach you another technique. Jupiter exalted. Anyone in anyone's chart, whichever house represents the sign of Sagittarius, that person's longevity will be reduced if Jupiter is little bit afflicted as well, or his life will be miserable if it's a pure Jupiter, no afflictions. Look in the charts of the people who have Jupiter exalted. Let's suppose someone has a Sagittarius ascendant, Jupiter exalted in the 8th house. If it's a third house, Sagittarius sign, and Jupiter is exalted, means Libra ascendant, Sagittarius is third house, Jupiter exalted, siblings will have a miserable life. Have you ever seen the Jupiter exalted? Now you see the third lord is exalted. Jupiter is exalted, third house. The person, third house, the brother siblings should have a very good life. If this Jupiter is with Saturn round Ketu, the the sibling of this relative will die. Can you guys please test this technique on the people who have Jupiter exalted in their charts?
So, my uncle had this Sagittarius ascendant, 8th house Jupiter exalted. Um, I mean, he passed away. I mean, very early.
Anyone else with the Jupiter exalted? Go test this technique.
I have a chart, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is Virgo ascendant.
Okay.
So Jupiter is exalted in the 11th house with Ketu.
Okay.
Mercury is exalted in the first house with Sun and Venus. Saturn is in Sagittarius, and Moon is exalted with Mars and
Too many exalted planets.
exaltation planets.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, your mother.
Okay. Because Sagittarius is in the 4th house
Yeah.
with Saturn.
What is the story regarding the mother? How's the life of the mother?
Sir, it's not good, sir. I don't know the details, but there is some issue.
Okay.
And
Sir, it also happened to my friend as well. She has a Libra ascendant
Okay.
and Mercury, Venus in third house. And Rahu is, I believe, also aspecting it from 11.
Okay. Where's the Jupiter?
Sir, exalted.
Okay.
So, sir, her younger brother has a problem of paralysis.
Right. Exalted Jupiter, Sagittarius is destroyed.
Yes.
Now, who will tell me what will the debilitated Jupiter will give? I've taught you the half part. I will always teach you only half part of the technique. Then I will leave half up to you.
So will that apply for Jupiter in fourth house as well or not?
No, it's only for the sign. It has to be the sign. It's a sign-based technique.
Okay.
Right. So who will come back with the techniques of debilitated Jupiter now?